All right, cold, snowy Ohio day. Here we are for a Chevy Escalade. Brother's about to take an attempt to get in. Long reach tool is going to be the option of choice. I believe he's going to try and pull up on the knob. He may go for the handle. We'll wait and see. Technically, we got the timer going for the minute challenge here, guys, also. So be sure to look for the shorts for that. This will just be the long format, start to finish here. Well, it's got a tight door with that airbag's fighting, so I doubt it's going to be in the minute. Maybe. Ooh. Austin's taller than I am. I need a ladder. He's coming in. Alright, he's gotta go handle. I usually go for the knob. He likes the handle. Right there. Down a little deeper. Here deeper. There you go. Nope, you have to pull the knob up. It looks like a double pull. Try a second pull first. Nope, you're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Perfect. Straight up. Boom, straight up. There you go.